Good morning, students. Today we'll start with a new topic, that is the salts. So first of all, I'll just want to tell you what do you mean by salts. As you have done the neutralization reaction, in which we have done that when the acid react with the base, it will form the salt and water. Salt does not mean the common salt which we are using at our home. Salts are the compounds which are formed by the neutralization reaction. The common salt which we used in our home, that is a NaCl, that is a sodium chloride, which is formed by the reaction between the sodium hydroxide and the hydrochloric acid. And that common salt, it is that salt which we are using in our homes for the cooking purpose. But salt are others also. अगर हम मान लो पोटाशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड को हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करें, देन ऑल्सो द प्रोडक्ट विच इज़ फॉर्म्ड दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ए सॉल्ट, नॉट कॉमन सॉल्ट बट सॉल्ट. सो हेयर यू कैन सी द रिएक्शन. सो सॉल्ट जो है फॉर्म होता है व्हेन द एसिड इट विल रिएक्ट विद द बेसिस. सो जो सॉल्ट्स है दे आर ऑफ 3 टाइप्स: एसिडिक सॉल्ट्स, बेसिक सॉल्ट्स एंड द न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट्स. एसिडिक सॉल्ट्स बेटे वो होते हैं जब स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड रिएक्ट विद द वीक बेस. बेसिक सॉल्ट्स वो होते हैं व्हेन द स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस इट विल रिएक्ट विद द वीक एसिड. एंड द न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट्स व्हेन द बोथ एसिड्स एंड बेसिस आर स्ट्रॉन्ग और द वीक. सो सॉल्ट्स की सेम कुछ होते हैं फैमिली ऑफ सॉल्ट. फैमिली ऑफ सॉल्ट में होते हैं वेदर द पॉजिटिव आयंस आर सेम और द नेगेटिव आयंस आर सेम. आई विल जस्ट गिव यू द एग्जांपल: सोडियम सल्फेट, पोटाशियम सल्फेट, ठीक है, कॉपर सल्फेट. इन ऑल दीज 3 द सल्फेट इज कॉमन, सो दिस इज अ फैमिली ऑफ सॉल्ट ऑफ सल्फेट. सेम वे फॉर द नाइट्रेट एंड अदर्स ऑल्सो, ठीक है. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर द सॉल्ट्स. नाउ व्हाट आर द केमिकल्स फ्रॉम सॉल्ट्स? So here you can see the sodium hydroxide, which is also known as the caustic soda, bleaching powder, baking soda, washing soda and plaster of Paris. These are the salt which we have to do. So first we will do, that is the chemicals. First is sodium hydroxide. But before this I just want to tell you the sodium chloride, which is a common salt. It is formed when the sodium hydroxide it will react with the hydrogen chloride. Fine. So ये हमें evaporation of sea water से भी मिलता है और from the underground deposit से भी मिलता है. And common salt it is a raw material for the preparation of the some other salts. In the first, that is a NaOH, sodium hydroxide. The other name of the sodium hydroxide is a caustic soda. So how it is prepared? That is when the electricity is passed through the aqueous solution of the sodium chloride. And aqueous solution of the sodium chloride means sodium chloride plus water, means पानी थोड़ा सा कम amount में लेना, that is known as the brine, BRINE. So when electrolysis it is there, then the sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide, chlorine and the hydrogen it is formed. And this process of preparation it is known as the chloroalkali process. Chloro means chlorine is formed, alkali means sodium hydroxide it is formed, so that's why it is known as the chloroalkali process. So इसके uses क्या? Used to make the soaps and detergents, paper manufacturing, oil refinery, PVC polyvinyl chloride means ये fibers हो गए एक तरह से प्लास्टिक का, so इसकी manufacturing में and as a pesticide. Now second is bleaching powder, that is a calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2. It is produced by the action of chlorine on the dry slaked lime. Slaked lime is calcium hydroxide. When the chlorine is passed through the slaked lime, then bleaching powder along with the water it is formed. So then uses of the bleaching powder, it is used in the cotton and the linen industries, wood pulp in the paper industries, factories, oxidizing agent in the chemical industries and the used to disinfect the drinking water. ठीक है बेटे. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट दीज 2 और 3 सॉल्ट्स. सोडियम क्लोराइड मैंने तुम्हें बताया, देन सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एंड देन द ब्लीचिंग पाउडर. सो रेस्ट 3 आर लेफ्ट आई थिंक सो. that is the POP, washing soda and the baking soda. That will do in the next video session. So अब तक इतना रिवाइज कीजिए ताकि तुम्हें थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट के बारे में पता लगे. ओके बेटे, थैंक्स.